So all the structural work on the embankment and bridge at Mor Brook is done. Good. On the 25th of July, we've got Flying Scotsman going to come flying across there with our first service to reunite the line. That's great. But up there, there's a 240-foot gap in the track and the clock is ticking. So here's what you do. You phone your friends on the main line and ask for help. And that's exactly what SVR Director Steve Featherston did. And magically, the Orange Army Volunteer All-Stars sprang into being.
I made some calls. I called in a lot of favours, and the railway turned out. It's fantastic. We've got plant suppliers, RRV suppliers, welfare suppliers. Everybody has just pitched in to help, and as you can see, the Orange Army have pitched in full force, all volunteering in their time. Everybody is working for free. It's absolutely fantastic. It just shows what the railway can do when it all comes together.
Today we've installed the rest of the sleepers, and then obviously we've had to put the sleepers to the gauge, lift the railing, but unfortunately now we're just working on the joints because of the weather. It's so warm, the rail's expanded, so we've just got some challenges around the joint area to deal with, and then we'll fasten the rest of the rail down.
So no matter how prepared you are, there's always something, isn't there?
Always something, Leslie.
All the companies named below have helped the SVR with this track relay, and we're extremely grateful to them all. They've given either people power, free of charge equipment, or consumables. To be honest, the level of support from across the railway sector for our heritage line has been truly astounding.
So we've got to put some monitors on the track to keep an eye on it to make sure that we don't get any movement, and we'll shortly be looking at then running some test trains, both as light engine and as fully stocked coaching trains to see that the track is good enough for Flying Scotsman on the Friday.
Structural work is done, but there's still plenty of finishing off for the contractors CML to do, not least adding the all-important cosmetic touches to restore the heritage appearance of the bridge. What's the message to everybody who in whatever way has helped the Severn Valley Railway?
Well, obviously, thank you. Thank you. Really doesn't sum it up, but we've had so much support from so many people in so many different ways, and it's really humbling for me, and I'm sure for everybody else involved in the railway, to realise that we are the custodians of something that people feel so passionate about. So we've got a duty of care to do what we do with the railway. But thank you to everybody that's helped. It's just been brilliant.
It's not long now. Flying Scotsman's going to come thundering over Mor Brook Bridge. What's going to be in your heart at that time?
Well, I think it's just going to be a really emotional moment, Leslie. I'm feeling quite emotional about even talking to you about it now. We had all the despair, I think, when we first saw what happened at Mor Brook, and now we're here and it's nearly finished, and we've got Flying Scotsman coming to reopen it. I think it'll just be a really, really emotional and proud moment.
Mid-afternoon, and there's still work to be done, specifically adding the top ballast, then Colas generously bringing in their dynamic tamper to finish off the whole section. But before any of that, the moment everyone had been waiting for, the first locomotive to cross the newly restored bridge, very slowly, but with a huge amount of pride and relief. Make sure you subscribe to the SVR official YouTube channel and you'll never miss an update.